looks like it comes packaged pretty nicely. Nice. So I'm trying to organize my rods and reels a little bit better because right now I have them in the garage, kind of all falling all over the place. So this hopefully will organize my rods a bit easier. Oh, very nice, very nice. Looks like it's pretty simple, some pieces here. All right, so I like this. All right, so here's the instructions. We're gonna try and put this together really quick. Should be pretty easy. All right, so it comes with some pieces here. We're gonna keep them all together right here. All right, what I like about it, it's pretty lightweight. So I feel like it's gonna be pretty easy to move around. All right, so I'm gonna try and put this together for you guys so we can see it in action. Pretty much it. It's pretty good. A couple minutes put together. Very lightweight. It's pretty sturdy. Very nice, very nice. Yes. It's like a lightweight aluminum. All right, I'm gonna try to put some rods in it. All right, so here's a couple of my rods. Now, normally they're in the garage and they're just falling all over the place. I mean, look, just holding them, I can't really do it. So this is gonna organize your garage completely. Also, it's gonna put your rods in a nice, organized place. You could be in your garage, anywhere where you keep all your rods. And all they do is they sit right in here. You can hold 12 to 24 rods. Any kind of rod you need, you can put it right in here. Very easy, just like that. I can put one back here too. So there it is. I mean, it can't be any simpler than that. It basically uses the weight of the rod between this side and the other side to hold it in place. And the cushion right here, this foam, keeps them from getting scratched. So it keeps all your rods protected and very, very safe and keep them from falling. And again, very lightweight. Look at that, I can lift all my rods up together. I can move it anywhere I need to store my rods. I like it a lot. Very easy to use. Easy to put together. I recommend you guys get one.